Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business assets with Constant Contact, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of protecting your business assets. Identify the various types of assets your business possesses, such as physical, intellectual, and digital assets. Evaluate potential risks that could threaten these assets, including data breaches or natural disasters. Create a strong email marketing strategy using Constant Contact to keep your customers informed. Sign up for a Constant Contact account if you haven't already. Choose the right plan that fits your business needs and budget. Familiarize yourself with the Constant Contact interface and its features. Begin by creating an email list with all your contacts. Segment your audience into groups based on their interests or behavior for targeted messaging. Import your existing contacts into Constant Contact securely. Craft engaging and informative emails that highlight your business assets. Ensure your emails include clear calls to action, encouraging customer engagement. Utilize the automation features of Constant Contact to send timely updates and alerts to your contacts. Set up email campaigns focused on asset protection and risk management. Use analytics to track the success of your campaigns and adjust your strategy as needed. Maintain compliance with email marketing regulations to protect your business's reputation. Regularly update your email list to ensure it is current and engaged. Incorporate safety tips and resources into your communications to educate your customers. Consider using surveys or feedback forms to gather insights from your audience on asset concerns. Leverage social media integrations to expand the reach of your email campaigns. Continuously refine your messaging based on feedback and performance metrics. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your business assets using Constant Contact. Your communications will strengthen customer relationships while promoting awareness of asset protection. Invest time in honing your email marketing strategy for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.